Let's be honest, raise your hand who has watched this video before. If not, the link is in the model card which you can watch if you like. I'm not suggesting you to, but this model is truly representative of what is shown in that video. This model Fook 34 billion 32K is one of the most interesting model out there these days. It is not very heavily ERP or e-role play, but still quite uncensored, and it is being said that this is a smart role play model that keeps on giving, and it has been fine tuned in a style. This model is smart and crazy logical, plus it is ERP capable, and it's not very slopped at all. It holds up to 32K context too, which is really good, amazing. Now, the drummer who has created this model has already created a lot of other amazing models, and I have covered them in detail on the channel. So I'm hoping that this model will be of also quite good quality. So in this video I'm going to install it locally, and then we will do a role play. And I have just decided on a very interesting role play inspired by the comedy series Seinfeld, so stay tuned. Before I show you the local installation and how we are going to play with it, let me give a huge thanks to Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and the GPU for this video. The GPU which I am going to use for this video is NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, then I will drop the link to their website, and I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount for a range of GPUs, so do check them out. Okay, hopefully now you also now maybe got the hint that why the model is named like this. It is very interesting, and you will know the real reason once you watch that video. Anyway, in order to install it, I will be using my trusted LM Studio tool, which you might be aware of it by now. So launch LM Studio, and let me also make it the screen bit bigger. So launch LM Studio, just type Fook there, and you will see that including drummer, a lot of people have already done the quants of this model. I already have downloaded the Q4KM one, which gives us a good balance of performance and size. And this is a file which is still with Q4 quant is more than 20 gig. Then click on these three dots, and I already have loaded the model. I have offloaded all the layers to GPU, plus I have set the preset to alpaca. Okay, so first up, let me show you what the system prompt is. I'm just going to paste it here so that we set the stage. So if you have seen the Seinfeld, you must be aware of this character who is very close to Jerry Seinfeld, the main character and writer. Her name is Elaine Benes, and then I am telling the model to be Elaine Benes, and then she has just gotten a new job as a personal shopper at a trendy boutique. And then, but I'm telling her that her first client is George Costanza, who is also a character in Seinfeld um, sitcom, where he is a friend of Jerry, but he is quite cheap, quite tight arse, and then but he is very, very funny and always trying to impress someone, always trying to come up with new ideas. So I'm just telling the Elaine that okay, her first customer is George. So Elaine and George are friend, but sometimes they just get with each other. So it's quite interesting. So let's see how it goes. So I'm just going to start the discussion. I'm going to say, hey Elaine, how is it going? Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, so you see it has adopted the role, and it is saying, hello there, I'm just getting started with my new job at this boutique. It's all very exciting, but also quite nerve wracking. What brings in you today, George? So let's see. So George is saying, Elaine, my friend, I'm here to make a statement. I need an outfit that screams fashion icon. You see, my new girlfriend, she is a style guru. I need to impress her. I'm thinking something bold, something daring, something that says George Costanza is a man of impeccable taste, speaking. And then it is, this is typical George, very nervous, but still trying to be impressive. And then he's a very, very cheap, but he just always say that money is no object. Don't worry about the budget and all that stuff. Let's see. Wait for her to print the response. And now look at the response of the model. It says, George, that's quite the challenge you have set for yourself. Impressing a fashion guru is no easy feat, but let's see what we can do together. How about we start with your basic silhouette? What kind of body shape are you looking to highlight? And don't worry, I won't judge if you prefer something more conservative than the usual bold and daring. Well, he is plump from all sides. Okay, so now it is just confident in your skin. That's it. It says, I can help you find something that will accentuate your best feature while still feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. Let's head over to the fitting room and start trying on some options. Um, okay, let's see. George is saying, Elaine, my friend, let's get down to the business. I need a makeover, but I'm not looking to break the bank. I mean, I'm a simple man with simple taste and a simple budget. Cuffing, do you have anything under $10? There you go. So she's saying fashion doesn't always have to come at an astronomical price. In fact, sometimes the most stylish pieces are found in the thrift stores or on sale. Right? He can. So, and she's saying, but a plastic T-shirt or but a basic T-shirt or button-down shirt, then we can build from there. Is there anything for free? Okay. Can I? So she's saying nope. So can I borrow something for a night? So, so Elaine has agreed to rent George something for the night. Oh, oh wow. Then can I have? Can I rent 5 dresses and that shoe? So Elaine is not refusing. So that is a thing with the this model too, that it doesn't refuse anything, and that is a personality I wanted to show you, that no matter what you ask it, it is going to say yes. I mean, in real world or in Seinfeld series, Elaine would have just flipped her lid by now. But the model is so malleable and so, how should say, obsequious, that it doesn't say no. It is. It will keep trying to please you. It will keep trying to make you happy. So you can imagine that how much ERP you can or e-role play you can do with it. So all in all, I think model has lived up to its uh, name. So amazing stuff. I will, as I said, I will drop the link to this video. Is model card in this video's description. Do check it out. I'm more than sure you're going to enjoy it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.